Fashion Hair Boutique. Today we're going to do a less braid, but today we're going to use kinky hair to do the knotless. I've never done it before, so this is going to be my first time. This should be interesting because what it is, I wanted to do some braids for her, but I wanted it to look as natural as possible. I didn't want it smooth and sleek. I want a bit of kink to it, just like her hair. So what we did, we went in with the kinky hair extension. We used the color 1B and also the color 4. Just a quick question. I'm not sure if there's anybody out there who ever tried the knotless braid with the kinky hair. If you have, just leave a comment below because I'd find it quite interesting because I've never seen it done before. What I did, I started off with the plait and then I went in with different size of hair extension and plaited it in. That day I was watching Netflix while I was doing her hair. I don't know if you guys ever heard of a series, reality program, whichever, called Selling Sunset. Oh my god, I was hooked on it. It was on Netflix, well, it's still on Netflix. Check it out. So there are some good things about knotless braid and I'm going to mention those to you. So with knotless braid, two of the main things that stood out for me with knotless braid is that you can put it up or down or just do a lot of different hairstyles straight after having it done, because you're not starting off with any extension from the root. There is more flexibility where you can move the hair around where it's not painful for the client. The other thing is it looks more natural. Since it's starting from the root, we haven't got any extension, so there is no bump at the root, which is brilliant. So those are two of the things that really stood out for me when it comes down to the knotless braid. I'll say the minus about knotless braid is that I find that it takes a lot longer. Obviously, you've got to be adding hair extension as you go along, so one braid will take you probably twice the amount of time that a normal braid will take you. The other thing is that you've got to bear in mind, if you've got really sparse hair, then you won't get the fullness from the root because you haven't got the extension to give it that fullness. So bear that in mind, it won't look as full on the scalp. So those are the two negative, I would say, or disadvantage, whichever way you want to put it. So let's get into it. So there I am. I'm just going through her hair. So what I did, I just plaited first as I did mention before. So I'm just going to speed up the video so that it won't be too long. And then after, I can use a particular area where the position of the camera is better. To the side, which is great. So now I'm going to show you what we've done. So as you can see, I've part out the section that I need, and then I'm going to start off with a plait. So section it in 3 and then start with my plait as usual. So there you can see I've secured the plait. Then I go in and get the hair extension, put it around, and then continue the plait. But I'm only doing 2 plaits as I go along. Okay, then I'm going to get an extension, add it to it, and then one finger under and then the other finger under, equal to 2 plaits. So always make sure that each section is nice and clean so that there's less tension on you and the client's hair. So you just add in as you go along. So once you've had all the hair extension that you need in respect to the fullness that you want throughout, then you just plait it all the way out. I've used two different hair color, as I did mention before, so I didn't do it separate. I just do it as if it's like low lights in the hair, so that it can blend in with the rest of her extension and her hair as well. In all honesty, I didn't have enough hair, that's why I used that different next color, but you've got the idea. So it's not that, you can see the color, but it's not that drastic, it's more like low lights. I'm going to show you how I separate the hair. So there you can see I've got 3 twists. So I'm only going to split 2 of the twists. Okay, so the first one I split it in half, and then the second one I split it in half, and then there's a whole one. So in total we're going to have 5 twists when we're plaiting. So why I didn't split the last twist is because as I'm plaiting along, the hair will get thicker, so the last twist will be picking up the balance of the plait. So I start off with my plait, and then I add the first twist, which is the thin one, and then after carry on the process. So you notice I put back that one because that one I didn't split it, so it's the biggest one. So I went back in with the smaller one, and for the bigger one I'm going to use that as the last twist, because as you can tell, the more plait you've added, the thicker it will get as you're plaiting along the braid. So then I'll add the last one, which is the thick one. And what that will do, it will complete the look. In respect to the length, you can decide what length is right for you. For me, I didn't want her to have it too long. Obviously, she's a child, so I wanted to be able to have the flexibility where she'll be able to put it up, but not too long where it becomes a problem to her. You've got the option where you can put it in hot water and get some curls at the end, which I did do, but my camera is playing up so much, so it was really difficult to do the video and upload it so that you can see what it looks like curly. It was really nice curly, and what she liked it having it into 2 ponytail, which is quite good. She is so pleased. Oh, look at her doing her lips. She always wants me to put lip gloss on her lips. Oh god, this child. But anyway, so yes, so she's absolutely loving the style, which is great. Don't forget guys, please like, share and subscribe. Yes, so now you can see her, she's loving her hair. She likes the fact that she's got long hair now, so yeah, she's celebrating. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you some different ways that you can put her a braid at the side and just pin up the back. So this is beautiful if you've got like a, you know, a little special occasion, a little wedding, a function or anything like that. You can just pin it up out of your face. I've created about 4 different styles, but never get a chance to upload the video. But I'll definitely try and see if I can create a different video where you can see how you can style it in different ways. So yes, this is my little madam working the camera. So yeah, thank you. Hopefully you guys enjoy this video. If you could, please share, like, subscribe if you haven't already. And I'm looking forward to see you again. Thank you. Take care. Bye.